Welcome to Mkhwanazi Uncovered, bringing you trending South African stories daily. Please subscribe for daily updates.
Well, we don't know, it's got a resemblance of some typical strategies that have been employed, but we're still going to dig deep in it.
My understanding is that not only has there been a warrant of arrest prepared for the crime intelligence boss, but for yourself as well. Are you aware of this?
No, well, what the intelligence we received yesterday was that they've given themselves 48 hours to make sure that myself and Khumalo are behind bars, because they believe that we have secured warrant of arrest for IDAC officials, which was, I did not believe that story, that there's something like that, because there's no warrant of arrest. And from where I am, there's not even an investigation that involves anyone from IDAC. So why would you come with warrant of arrest and a person who makes up a story? I thought it's just a story that is flying. But when Khumalo told me today that he's received a phone call by IDAC that say he must present himself at the station, so I thought the 48 hours that we were warned about yesterday, it's real. That's why I came here, so that first I can confirm with Khumalo to see the phone numbers that called him. And also, if IDAC is here, I might as well say, here I am, if you need me as well. But to my surprise, then Khumalo gets another phone call that says that he doesn't have to present himself because of some executive decision.
In fact, that's also what we've been told. Have you gotten any clarity as to what exactly happened between the time Khumalo was told to present himself and the time at which he then was not going to be processed at this police station?
There are phone numbers that call them. The people that own those phone numbers, perhaps are the one they must take the microphone and tell South Africa. Why did they call them to come here? And why did they call them not to come here?